Hello, welcome to Daily Mathematics. So we have a question here, 500 square minus 1 over 499. How do we solve this question? So the first thing we're going to do is to do differences of two squares. Differences of two squares. So we have 500 square minus 1 square. Why? Because 1 square is still equal to 1 over 499. Over 499. So what do we do? So we say difference of two square means differences of two square means 500 plus 1 and 500 minus 1. That's the differences of two squares. So this is what it means over the 499. So 500 plus 1 is 501 and 500 minus 1 is 499. So from here over 499. So 499 cancels 499. Our answer is equals 501. Now we have the same question or similar question down here. So we'll do the same thing. 81 square minus 8 raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So, and 1 square is still the same thing as 1 over 80. So, we'll still do the same thing. Difference of two square, that will be 81 plus 1 bracket 81 minus 1. You are doing the difference of two square, plus and minus of the two square over 80. So, 81 plus 1 gives us 82. And 81 minus 1 gives us 80 over our 80 here. Then 80 cancel 80. Our answer is 82. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share to all those people you think might need it. Thank you for tuning in.